Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through ACM ICPC teams, which is a program under implementation session of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. Before getting deep into the concept or the philosophy of the problem, I will really encourage you to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, to not miss what we are doing here, because here we are really getting deeper and deeper into data structure, algorithm, problem solving, and strategy to solve problems. So here in this problem, we have an array as input, which represent the ability of giving user to master a topic. So here, for instance, the user 1 master topic 1, it doesn't master topic 2, it master topic 3, and so on. 1 represents a topic that you master, and 0 a topic that you don't master. And then the goal here is to find out the number of team that we can form, the number of team of 2 people that we can form that actually maximize the number of non-topic. What does that mean exactly? Let us take this one for instance. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 teams of 5 topics. So if you combine the player 1 and the player 2, we are going to have a total of 4 non-topic. Why 4? Because the player 1, the topic 1 is known by the player 1 and 2, so that is 1. The topic 2 is known only by the player 2, so that is also 1, because here it's going to be considered as a non-topic. The topic 3 is going to be known by both of them, so that is 1. That is 3 already. And then the topic 4 is known by none of them, so no one knows it, so it's going to be unknown, so it's going to be 0. And the last one is going to be 1. That is why we have a total of 4. Let us take another example for you to understand well. So let us take this one for instance. We can see that if you have a player with this like this code, that means he knows the topic 1, he don't know the next one, he knows this one, he don't know. And we have this one. What will be the result of combining those 2 users? Actually, if I know and then you don't know, then we both know. That's the idea. So I know, you know, so we know. I don't know, you know, so we know. I know, you know, so we know, and so on and so on. So this is basically the OR operator, if you are kind of familiar to binary operation. So this is the OR operation. 1 or 1 we give you 1, 0 or 1 we give you 1. So given this, how are we going to approach this problem? So a solution to approach this problem will be kind of, okay, take it one element, one user, and then look through all the other users. First thing you need to do is to convert the string into binary value. After that, you should perform the OR operation with you should perform the operation with the 2-player binary value, and then you should count the number of 1. If counting the number of 1 results to something higher than your previous result, you kind of erase everything, and then you start your result back at 1. You start your counting back at 1, and the result with the number of counts you found. Otherwise, if the number of counts is actually equal to the maximum, you just increment your count. What will it look like? So the first thing is that we initiate our highest value as 0, and then we initiate our counter, like the number of occurrence of that higher value is at 0. Once we have it, we are going to look through the number of topics like this, and for each of the element of the topic, we need to create a bit set representation. A bit set representation is actually the binary value of the string. And then why did I choose to go with 500? Because we have a constraint here saying that m is less or equal to 500. So I'm sure that I will not exceed this. Once I have the bit set operation of the first player, I need to look through moving from I plus 1. So if I'm here, for instance, I need to move from here so to the bottom. And for each of the elements, I need to create again the B set representation. So here I have the B set representation of A, I have the B set representation of B. What I should do next is to perform the OR operation that I just mentioned here. So the OR operation is the operation that will give me this. So if I say A or B, so this is actually the kind of the code which contain the number of topics known by the bot user. So I should count. So we have this function count. We have the function count that actually count the number of one that appear in a given bit set. So this is a bit set, and then we count the number of one, which is actually X. I just call it X. So I need to check if X, the number of one, is actually greater than the previous height, that the previous maximum height that we had. We should giving to our new height that value X, and then we should initiate our counter as 1. Otherwise, if the X is actually equal to our previous height, then what we should do is that we should just increment our counter, and at the end we just need to return an array, like a tuple. Like this is another way of returning array of the height and then the CP. So given that, let us run this and see what it gives. You have a congratulations. Let us submit. Everything green, everything perfect. So this was my approach of solving the. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to leave me a message in the comment section if you do enjoy it too. See you on the next video. Ciao.